Hey, if you want to see if someone actually read your message on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, so first of all, you will have to open your messages. And let's say that you want to actually see if this person actually read this message, this one. So you will have to go back from this one, click on the right upper corner, and you will have to tap on the messages settings. Now go into the RCS chats, and then you can find this send read receipts. Once you actually turn it on, you will let others to know that you have read their message, and also you will be able to see if actually someone else read your message, and it will be visible just right here. So once you actually send this message, in the right corner right here, you will be able to find this switcher. If the switcher turns blue, it means that someone actually read your message. That's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.